What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and we got some pretty dirty wheels right there. So we're going to be trying out Diablo wheel cleaner versus this suds.lab zero acid wheel cleaner. We're going to see which one does best. So I'm going to do one on each wheel because they're pretty bad, and we're going to see which one works the best. Let's get to it. Well, first off, I'm going to start by saying I don't like the way this is spraying. It looks like we're going to be using a lot of product. It's not giving me a fan spray. Not sure why, but we'll go with it. Okay. So this one lets you control the spray pattern with a little nozzle head there. So this one's going to apply probably much better. All right, so we're going to let those soak and sit, and we're going to come back and see which one works better. All right, so they've been soaking. Let's go ahead, spray it, and see what we get. All right, so going in for the close-up, this thing is just as dirty as when it got sprayed. I don't know if there's any product that's going to clean it real good without a scrub. That's what it looks like after spraying it. Let's go to the other side. All right, here we are with Diablo on the other side. All right, so it looks like the same thing here. If you got super baked on brake dust, you're not going to get away with just spraying it unless there is something stronger out there that I did not test here with these two. Obviously, I'm only testing two. There are other products on the market, but as you can see, not much change there. Now you can see the one spot right there that I rub with my finger. So yes, agitating is going to help. So with that said, just get whatever cleaner works for you. We're going to have to test things that are much stronger to break this down, but it's probably going to cost more money, so at that rate, it's probably not worth it. All right, so it's a wrap for this video. It looks like I'm going to have to hand scrub these wheels to get them back to looking nice and crispy. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, so I had to add this piece into the video before we close out here. I'm going to go with this product right here as the best for just what's going on here with the scrubbing. It actually came out pretty nice. I think it's breaking down the brake dust really nice and easy. So watch the scrub here. Watch the scrub. Look at this. Look at that. Just like that. It comes off so nicely. So I'm going to have to go with that product there. This is the suds.lab product. I'm going to have to go with that because from what I can see, I mean, this stuff has been baked on here for a minute. And it's actually coming off fairly easy with this product versus the other. So we're going to go ahead and scrub this thing down and show you the end result. All right, so there you are in with the close-up there. You can see how nice and easy that cleaned up. Good old suds.lab zero acid wheel cleaner. Looks like it works pretty good. Now we can end this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.